If you want to save even more money on your Hostgator web hosting purchase than what you see here, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to provide you with an exclusive Hostgator coupon code that will save you money on your Hostgator hosting purchase, plus get you a free domain name on annual plans or a domain discount on non-annual plans. You'll save even more than what you see being listed here on the Hostgator plans page. Let me walk you through the steps and show you how to get your Hostgator discount. To get your Hostgator coupon code discount, click the link below in the description and you just need to enter the Hostgator promo code I provided with the link in the description at checkout under the Enter a Coupon Code section. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Hostgator at no extra cost to you. Plus you'll get an awesome Hostgator discount. Now let me show you the additional Hostgator discount amounts for each of the plans while showing you how to enter our exclusive Hostgator promo code at checkout. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the Hostgator homepage. Click the Get Started button. You'll now be on the Hostgator hosting plans page. You'll get a greater discount than you see being listed here by using our exclusive Hostgator coupon code. I'll start with the Hatchling plan. On this page, scroll down to the Enter a Coupon Code section and replace the Hostgator promo code that is there with our promo code provided in the description with the link. Scroll up to the Billing Cycle section and click it, and you'll see the new discounted rates showing. You can get hosting for as low as $271 a month instead of the $275. Now let me show you the Baby plan discount. You can get hosting for as low as $343 a month instead of the $3.50. Now let me show you the Business plan. You can get Hostgator hosting for as low as $516 a month instead of the $5.25. For all the annual plans such as the 12-month and 36-month terms, you'll get a free domain name. With the non-annual terms such as the 1-month or 6-month terms, you'll get a domain name discount. Enjoy your Hostgator coupon code discount so you can save money on your Hostgator hosting purchase. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Hostgator hosting tutorial videos.